Are you scared of weighing yourself? Maybe a bit or maybe not. Studies have shown that if you're trying to lose weight, then there is a chance that weighing will affect your mood. That anxiety is understandable and common. If you're anxious about stepping onto your scale, this tip is for you. Do it daily. If scale is challenging you emotionally, do it again and again, every day. First thing in the morning, till it becomes a habit. This psychological technique is called exposure. Scale will succumb in front of you. Don't freak out if you see variations in daily weight. Before entering scale, if you just had a glass of water, it will show your body weight increased by 250 grams. So do your weighing daily, but take the readings lightly. Daily weighing is just to make you befriend your scale. We will use your weekly readings to assess our performance. Scale is just a tool for us. Nothing more, nothing less.